Hello and welcome to NFRESP. In this video, we are looking at how to form negative sentences in French. In French, there are two words that are used to make a sentence negative.
Ne,
And
pas,
these words hug the verb in the sentence. Let's look at some examples. One of the first things we learned was to respond to the question,
ça va?
ça va means how's it going? And you could answer with
Oui, ça va.
or.
Ça va bien, merci.
Let's look at how to make these phrases negative. So, to say no, things aren't going well, we need to add ne and pas either side of the verb. The verb in this phrase is va, which means going. So, to make oui, ça va negative, we say
Non, ça ne va pas.
no, things aren't going well. And to make ça va bien, merci negative, we say
Non, ça ne va pas bien.
Let's hear these two negative sentences again.
Non, ça ne va pas. Ça ne va pas bien.
Let's look at another example. In video 1.5, we learned how to conjugate the verb parler, to speak. And in video 1.8, we learned how to say nationalities. We can put these together and say, for example,
Elle parle anglais.
she speaks English, or
Il parle français.
they speak French. If we want to make these sentences negative, we find the verb, parle, and we hug it with ne and pas.
Elle ne parle pas anglais.
She does not speak English.
Il ne parle pas française.
They do not speak French. Let's hear these examples again.
Elle ne parle pas anglais.
Il ne parle pas française.
In video 1.6, we learned how to introduce people. For example, we can say,
Je m'appelle Céleste.
I am called Celeste, and
Nous nous appelons Alain et Coralie.
we are called Alan and Coralie. To make these sentences negative, we again find the verb, appelle, and we hug it with ne and pas. Now, because this verb is reflexive, which means we do the action to ourselves, the reflexive word is also hugged.
Je ne m'appelle pas Céleste.
I am not called Celeste.
Nous ne nous appelons pas Alain et Coralie.
We are not called Alan and Coralie. Let's hear these two examples again.
Je ne m'appelle pas Céleste. Nous ne nous appelons pas Alain et Coralie.
As mentioned, in video 1.8, we looked at how to say nationalities. For example,
Vous êtes américain.
you are American, and
Elles sont irlandaises.
they are Irish. To make these sentences negative, we again find the verb, which is it in the first phrase and sont in the second phrase, and we hug the verb with ne and pas. The first sentence becomes,
Vous n'êtes pas américain.
because ne ends in a vowel and it begins with a vowel, these words are joined with an apostrophe. The second phrase becomes,
Elles ne sont pas irlandaises.
let's hear both these sentences again.
Vous n'êtes pas américain. Elles ne sont pas irlandaises.
Let's finish by hearing a few short conversations using positive and negative phrases.
Salut, ça va?
Oui, ça va bien. Et toi, ça va?
Non, ça ne va pas.
Vous parlez français?
Non, je ne parle pas français. Je parle anglais.
Elle s'appelle Margot et Céline.
Non, elles ne s'appellent pas Margot et Céline, elles s'appellent Marie et Céleste.
Tu es canadien?
Non, je ne suis pas canadien, je suis britannique.
Et il? Il est espagnol?
Non, il est italien.